You see all these scheduled YouTube videos? If you don't have any scheduled YouTube videos, then you're working too hard. You need to be recording videos, dropping them into a folder, and allowing AI to schedule them exactly 4 or 6 hours apart from each other. If you throw too many videos at once on a YouTube channel, the views will start dying because it just looks like spam to YouTube. And this also actually works on TikTok and Facebook. If you dump 3 or 4 videos in one go, actually you get penalized for that. They think you're a spammer. But when you actually create a delay between each post, then you actually get points for that and you get more views for those scheduled posts. Now, the way I like to do it is whenever I make a new video, I just drop it into a Google Drive folder based on what video it is. For example, if it's going to all my business channels, then I go to my laptop and drop it into all my business channels. I drop it into this folder. And once I've dropped it into this folder, I have a software on my computer, which you probably already know about. It's called Zippy Clip. It takes that video, it edits it, adds effects, adds subtitles, adds effects, sound effects, and background music. And then it publishes it exactly 6 hours from the last video that has been published. So it does it all automatically. It means I don't have to worry about it. All I do is click on the plus button, upload a new video, and that's it. I don't have to think about when or what time or anything like that. It knows already. It has an inbuilt calendar, and that's it. The one catch is that your computer has to be on for this to be working. And I personally leave my computer on 24/7 because of this app. It's literally like a human video editor that it's like having a human sitting there waiting for you to send him a new video, a new raw video. He edits it for you, puts captions, subtitles, and he even publishes for you, even creates an amazing thumbnail on YouTube. And he publishes on Facebook, X, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, by the way. He does all of that in one go for you at the exactly 6 hours delay between each post. Now you can edit that. You can make it 1 hour, you can make it 24 hours. You can choose the delay between posting these things. The one thing's for sure, if you don't have much time, but you do have time to record yourself speaking, then this could be the best solution that gives you the ability to have your video scheduled for publishing. And then you'll have a situation like I'm in, which is that since each of these is going to be published 6 hours, then basically if I'm making this video right now by filming my screen, then this video itself is going to be published 6 hours after this one, and therefore I'm going to be good to go for the next 72 hours. And whenever I have a good idea or I see some news that I want to share with the world, I just record my screen and throw it into my Google Drive folder. And it's as simple as that. And that's the new way of editing using AI. You don't need Claude Code. You don't need any agents. It's all in one software called Zippy Clip. You've got to try it. Ask for the link and I'll send it to you. See you in the next one.